Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. I could not let Satchel September come to an end without including some Brahmin bags that I have in my collection. I have yet to carry them, but I decided to go ahead and share them with you all. Another thing that I have learned during Satchel September is that there are quite a few of us handbag lovers that have a few handbags that we have yet to carry. So I don't feel too bad. I know I'm not alone. But this is the first one, and I will give you a good close-up of it. Looks like it's turning darker red. And it's not a dark red. It's a very light colored red. But I'll go ahead and give you a close-up of it anyway. It does have silver hardware. It does have feet. And these are my only two in this particular silhouette. Let me give you the name of it here. This one is a Marissa Cayenne Taos genuine leather. So Marissa, I believe, is the name of the silhouette, and the color description itself is Cayenne Taos. I hope I'm saying that right. Taos. But let's look inside. See, this is the strap that goes with it. The straps for Brahmin, most of the ones that I have seen, I believe they cross over the bag, which is not my preference, but that's how their straps are set up. On some of the bags, not all of them. And you all, if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time that I upload a video. Alright, so I got the strap connected, and I'm going to unstuff it so you all can see the inside of it as well. And this is a good size bag. I will, my tape measure is close by, which I don't see at the moment. I was going to say I would do some quick measurements, but I don't see it, y'all. So my apologies for that. But when I carry it, I'll do measurements. How about that? Oh, I found it. Okay, so this is the inside. It does have a key leash that matches the leather of the exterior. Slip pocket, and two little ink pen holders, I believe. And that's on the front side of the bag. The back side does have a zipper pocket with the registration card inside. And the interior or lining, it does have Brahmin throughout on the lining. So this is a good size bag. It is via top handle carry or using the shoulder strap. And it does have this back pocket that goes across the full back of it, and it goes all the way to the bottom as well. So I thought that this was a cute one. I've also seen this bag at TJ Maxx in this same color. I've seen it in a backpack silhouette. I don't know the name of the backpack silhouette for it, but I have seen this in store, outside of the Brahmin store. I've seen it there. So, and this is the original bag that it came in, the packing bag for it. So I will stuff this back, and then I can go ahead and move on to the next one. And I've shown some Brahmin bags in previous videos before, accessories really. I did a Brahmin accessory haul to put all of my Brahmin accessories together, and that was a lot of fun, and let me know that I needed to start switching up more, and so I can carry all of my pieces more often. I know a lot of times we get into a handbag and don't really want to move out, but I've made myself kind of look at the excitement of one bag, and that kind of helps me get excited about the next one to move out of it. So that's like the only way that I can think of to be sure that we get good use out of our collection, because it's so easy to just stay in one handbag. But it takes some time and effort, but it can be done to kind of make your rounds away around your handbag so that you can carry all of them if you have a lot. So this one is also Marissa, the same silhouette, but it's a different color. And I believe both of these colors are at least 2 seasons or so old, so to speak. But this one is, let me give you the exact name of it, a Marissa Ivory Iguana Ombre Melbourne Genuine Leather. So it is a Marissa silhouette as well. And I thought that this was very pretty. The colors in it, as it said, ivory in the description. It has gold, it has black. It definitely has the iguana pattern here that's centered. And to me, the gold with the ivory is really what sets this off. So y'all, I need to carry these. I need to carry my purses. I need to try swapping out more than I do, doing a switch out more frequently, which I've kind of already started doing. Like a weekend bag and then like a midweek switch out. So I've at least started carrying about 2 a week. So, but I thought that this was very pretty. It does have the Brahmin plate here on the front. And the Brahmin, did this one have, oh, it did as well. The Brahmin charm. And then this one also, same interior, but I'll attach the strap so I don't have to revisit the interior. Oh, actually, I might, because this interior is not the same. It does have the trim that matches the exterior around the zipper, so that's very pretty. I'll bring it closer so you all can see that gorgeousness. And the same on the back. I'll at least take this out so I don't have to fully restuff it. And I still have to get to the strap. So this strap is not as wide as that one. But that's a good look at the interior and how it matches the exterior trim. Same with this strap, it does cross over. This one looks like it's extendable though. The other one on the Cayenne, that one was not extendable. But this one is adjustable for me to extend it out. It looks like it could extend out the length of a crossbody. So I will go ahead and attach this one also. And then I'll go ahead and do some quick measurements because I have my measuring tape to do that. So you'll have an idea of the size of the Marissa silhouette. So you all, Satchel September. It has been real. It has been fun. And it's not going to stop. Satchels seem to be a favorite of many. So I believe that satchels are going to continue to be shared from now on. They were highlighted, of course, during this month. But I'm sure that, and I've already received some feedback from some that have found satchels that they've added to their list. So especially with the holidays coming up and there's going to be sales on top of sales, I think we're going to see a lot more satchels coming up than we have before. So quick measurements before I close this out of the size of the Marissa. The Cayenne looks a little taller, but I think it's because I have it fully stuffed. So let's see. Yeah, I think it's because it's fully stuffed. It does look a little bit taller. So let me double check the measurements. Make sure my eyes are not playing tricks on me. So it looks like it's coming up to almost 9 inches in height. And then the iguana bag, it looks a little shorter. Well, no. Okay. So if it was stuffed, the zipper would be standing up. It still looks shorter than me, y'all. It looks about 1 inch shorter. So I don't know if that's possible not to have the same silhouette, but a different height on it. And let me be sure. These are both Marissa's. I'm pretty sure I read it correctly. Yes, they're both Marissa's. So maybe it's just because this one isn't as stuffed. So we're just going to go with that. So just to be on the safe side, I will measure the Cayenne Marissa for the measurements instead. So across the bottom, it is about 12 inches in length. The width of the base with the feet on it is a little under 4 inches, but if I were to measure the full base that extends out over that, it's about 5.5. And then the width of the bag from the side view is, the bottom looks wider, so I'll measure this part. It's about 5.5, almost 6. Closer you get up to the top, it does kind of narrow a little bit, so it goes to 4.5. And then the height on this one, again, it is at about 8.5 inches. And then on this one, let's double check this height as if it's fully stuffed, which it is not, but we're going to try to make it as though it is to see if the height is the same. I don't think so. I think it is a little shorter, y'all. Let me know what you all think. It looks like it could be 8.5 if it was fully standing up, but to me it looks a little shorter. But these are my 2 Brahmin satchels that I wanted to share with you all. You've already seen the Caroline that I have in the from the Honolulu collection, which is my absolute favorite. So I didn't bring that one back out, but I did want to share these 2 newbies to you. Well, new to you. Yeah, it looks like they're about the same. So it could just be the leathers. This one is a softer leather. This one is more firm, and it does have that glaze on it, that Brahmin glaze that they're known for, versus this one does not. So I think that's what is affecting the height of the bag. I think. I could be wrong. But that's it, y'all. These are my 2 Brahmin bags for Satchel September. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in the last video, which will be the finale for Satchel September. And thank you again for watching. You all have a wonderful, wonderful day.